Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best gear on the market to help you make the right buying decisions. In today's episode, we're talking about a powerhouse in the world of outdoor cleaning, the DeWalt DXPW3425E-S. If you've been looking for the best pressure washer that's gas-powered and built for commercial-level performance, this is the one you want to pay attention to. Let's start with why this model stands out. The DeWalt DXPW3425E-S is engineered to deliver premium residential performance that's knocking on the door of commercial quality. With an electric start 208cc DeWalt engine, it fires up with ease, no more struggling with recoil cords. This makes it an excellent fit not just for pros, but also for homeowners who want a serious cleaning machine that's reliable and easy to use. Under the hood, the pressure washer is driven by a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump that produces an impressive 3,400 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute. That kind of power is more than enough to tackle tough grime, mold, and stains on decks, patios, driveways, siding, and even prep surfaces for painting. The thermal relief valve adds an extra layer of protection, preventing overheating during extended use. This machine is built to be compact and surprisingly lightweight for its class. At 81 pounds, it's easy for one person to move it around. Thanks to its 10-inch premium pneumatic tires, maneuvering it across uneven ground or gravel is no problem at all. And with a space-saving frame, storage is simple when the job is done. When it comes to accessories, DeWalt doesn't hold back. You get a 25-foot more flex high-pressure hose that's non-marring, flexible, and abrasion-resistant, a quality hose that won't leave ugly marks on your surfaces. The included ergonomic spray gun and 16-inch steel wand offer a comfortable grip and reach, and with 5 quick connect nozzles. Assembly out of the box is minimal, and since every unit is 100% factory tested, some residual fuel or oil might be present, but that just shows it's been thoroughly inspected. It's also worth noting that this unit is 49 state compliant, so it meets the requirements of all states except California. A couple of things to keep in mind. DeWalt recommends keeping the fuel level no more than half an inch below the bottom of the filler neck to avoid spillage. It's a simple tip, but it ensures you'll avoid unnecessary messes and keep your washer running efficiently. If you're a homeowner who takes outdoor maintenance seriously or a contractor looking for a durable, mobile unit for daily jobs, the DXPW3425E-S has the build quality, ease of use, and raw power to meet your needs. It's a long-lasting investment that blends residential usability with commercial-grade muscle. That wraps up our deep dive into the DeWalt DXPW3425E-S, the best gas-powered commercial pressure washer available right now. If you're ready to level up your cleaning game, this machine is more than up to the task. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest gear reviews right here on Product Critique. Catch you in the next one.